Good morning all of you. Good morning beta. Okay, fine. Are you ready for maths class? Okay, first roll call. Okay. Let's check how many joined now. 12. All of you please take out your math magic book. Previous class I discussed chapter started already, the footprints is already started, and I told to collect few things, collect some things such as potato, bottle cap, a matchbox cover, a sharpener, eraser, spoon, bus ticket, coin, straw. If you have these things, please take all these things. In previous class I already told that you will collect these things before sitting before the class. Have you collected or not? Chat. Oh, they are present. Okay, collected. Very good, Bayan. Ayush, no. Why not, beta? You will collect. So, all of you, please take out your math magic book and open page number 42. And before started, you just watch one thing. Make the footprint of your friend on the floor. It was in page number 40 and it is smaller than you. Have you checked it? You have come from the homework completed. Okay. And then if it is smaller, then you will write yes. If it is not, then you will write no. Okay. Here the question is there in page number 40. You all please follow. Make the footprint of your friend on the floor. If you take a footprint of your friend and check, it is smaller than you, and your footprint also beside your footprint and your friend's footprint, and please check it. Please check it that whose it is smaller than yours. If it is smaller, then you will write yes, smaller. If it is not, your friend's footprints is, you will write no. And if it is similar, you can write similar, same. Okay, same. Okay, and that day also I told few leaves and trays, bangles, bindis. I hope you all have completed. Now today we will start from page number 42. You all please open your math magic book, take out your math magic book and open page number 42. Page number 42. Let's start now. More fun with tracing. More fun with tracing. Collect some things such as a potato, bottle cap, a matchbox cover, a sharpener, eraser, a spoon, a bus ticket, a coin, a straw. You can also bring other things also, no problem. Collect some other things also. Whatever have with me, I will just take these things also. Okay, fine. Very good, Samriddho. Very good. And now let's start 42, page number 42. Look, this is a potato, right? I will take a trace on board, page number 42. Okay, this is a bottle cap and this is sharpener. If you have different shapes sharpener, you can use. I have this sharpener, so I collect this sharpener, and this is eraser. This is eraser and spoon and coin. This is coin and matchbox cover and okay, and there is a pipe, but I don't have straw. Here is a instructed that collect straw, but I don't have bus ticket and straw, so I will take chalk. Okay, and a book also. Okay, let's start now. First, what has instructed over here, trace each of these. Ask your friends to guess. First, trace over here in this blank portion is given. You just trace all these things. So, first I have taken potato and trace. How to trace? Please, all of you follow the board carefully. And this is, I am tracing that potato. So, it is like a circle, or you can write this is a oval also, no problem, circle. And next I will trace a spoon. Please take a spoon and trace it in this way. Trace. All of you, please trace all these things. If you have collect, then trace it. This is spoon. And now this is matchbox. I will trace. How to trace? Please follow me. This is the matchbox. And bottle cap. This is the bottle cap. Look, this is bottle cap. So, I will trace. This is circle. Okay. And sharpener. Sharpener. It's a small one. If you have, what type of sharpener you have, please trace this. This is my one. Okay. And this is eraser. Eraser. This is sharpener. It is spoon. It is potato. This is spoon. Matchbox. Cover. Bottle cap. And this is eraser. And this is eraser. Sharpener, this is sharpener. This is sharpener and this is bottle cap. This is matchbox cover. This is spoon. This is potato. And now this is eraser. My eraser also rectangle. If you have the another eraser, you can trace this eraser also. No. This is sharpener, all of you. This is eraser. This is eraser. And now I have chalk. Instead of straw, I am using, I don't have straw, I can't collect straw. This is chalk. Chalk. This is coin. You can collect a coin. I have taken a 5 rupees coin. This is coin. This is coin. And I take a trace of a book. I will not take a book. This is a duster. This is a duster. Please trace the duster. Duster. You collect few things and trace in this place. If you already collected, please trace in this way. Trace in this way. This is potato. I trace. I hope you all have understood how to trace the things. This is potato, spoon, matchbox, sharpener, eraser, and this is chalk, coin, and duster. And now, please, all of you, you all will collect the things and trace and turn over the next page and turn over the next page. page number 43. You all please turn over the next page, page number 43, and look at the shape of each dress you have made. I already made this dress, and look at the shape, look at the shape. Look over here, all of you. This is oval. This potato is a oval shape. Spoon, it is also oval. Here this is oval. And matchbox, it is rectangle. And eraser, also rectangle. Sharpener, also rectangle. And bottle cap, circle. And chalk, rectangle. Circle, duster, also rectangle. Okay. And I don't have any triangle shape things over here, so I can't do it. See if looks like any of these shapes given here. Write the name of the things below the shapes. Here is given. You can see the board, okay. Can I write? You can see the name. Here is given. First box is given circle. This is chalk. Here first box circle, next rectangle and square, and this is triangle and oval. Oval. So potato, it's oval shape. So write in this room. In this room here is a oval. Write here potato. Any oval shape thing. Spoon is also. So write over here spoon. It is also oval shape. This shape is oval. So spoon also oval. Next matchbox here. Matchbox. Here next sharpener. Eraser. But if you have the triangle shape eraser and if you have the circle or oval shape eraser, you can write. Ma'am, the lower part of the board is not visible. Okay. Then I have to rub the tracing, otherwise I cannot. Balloon also oval, yes, you can. If you collect balloon, you can write over there. Okay. Then I am rubbing these things. Otherwise, I cannot write. I already instructed to you, and now here is numbering is given. Now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now first circle, then rectangle and square, triangle and then oval. Okay. First, which one is oval shape? Potato and spoon, and circle it was bottle cap. Bottle cap and here number 1 and 2 completed, you can write bottle cap. Next bottle cap, it was circle and coin. Coin. And next sharpener, matchbox, sharpener, eraser and chalk duster. These all are rectangular shape, okay. And what was there? Other things? Anyone is there? I am missing? Potato, bottle cap, coin, straw, spoon, okay. Bottle cap, coin is a circle, and matchbox, sharpener, eraser, chalk, duster, these 5 all are rectangular shape. But if you have the other shape, you can write, no problem. Okay, very good. A ring also circle, you can take a bangle, this is also a circle, you can take a bangle, this is also a circle. And triangle shape, if you collect few things, you can trace and you can write over here, but I don't have anything. Potato and spoon, these 2 are oval shape, okay. One more I miss. Duster, chalk, eraser, sharpener, matchbox, coin, bottle cap and potato and spoon. Okay. Next, bus ticket I can't collect, but bus ticket it is also a rectangular shape. If you collect, you can trace it and you can write over here, no problem. And other thing also, if you want to, if you collect, you can write over there, no problem at all. Okay, fine, very good, Shrestha. Paper rocket, yes, paper rocket, it is a triangular, very good. Nine things, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, fine, very good. Turn over the next page. All of you, please turn over the next page. This page is completed. So, please, you will collect that things and trace over here and write that which shape is this. Okay, very good, Purbayan, very good. Next, turn over the next page. Page number 44. Page number 44. Can I rub the board? Completed. Page number 44. Toroni's shapes. Please follow the book carefully, all of you. Toroni's shapes. Here, using the shapes, here made some picture. Using shapes here drawn, make some figure. Toroni made a picture using different shapes. Okay. Toroni made a picture using different shapes. Look. First one is cat using triangle, circle, okay, and the next train engine, train, this use rectangle, square, circle and triangle also, all the shapes used. The next boy or the man figure, cartoon figure, there is used triangle, circle, rectangle, okay, and the next used triangle, square, circle. Next this house, triangle and square, and next the bird used triangle and circle. Okay. So, look at Toroni's picture and tail. You have to follow the Toroni's picture. This is Toroni's picture. Toroni made a picture using different shapes. Please follow this shape, follow this figure, this picture, and how many triangles are there? You all please collect and answer me on chat, then I will reply. How many triangles? How many triangles? Please tell me. Yes, Shamrita, very good. 32 triangles over there. In this No, Purbayan, 32. Please correct. Please count again. 32. I will just show it to you. Please follow me. 32. Yes, Ahanav, Debushmita, very good. 32. Look, triangle. Here, 2 triangle. Cat in cat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cat. And then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14. 15, 16, 17, 18. 19, 20, 21, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. It will be 32. Okay, count again. Yes, here is 2. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. I am counting why. It should be 32. First I count. Count again. 32. It will be 32. Yes, one is in ant fish. 32. You all please write 32 triangles. Yes, Shrestha, Ayush, Ahanav, Debushmita, Samriddha and Purbayan, check, it will be 32. And next, how many squares? How many squares? How many squares? Yes, yes, Ahanav, Debushmita, Ayush, Debushmita Maji, yes, 9. Oshmi, very good. Shrestha, very good. Sujan, very good. 9 squares. Sujan, very good. Look here. Where the squares? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here 9 square. Yes, Purbayan. Sujan, very good. 9 squares. Next, how many rectangles? How many rectangles? Please count how many rectangle. Yes, Ayush, very good. Samriddha, Oshmit, Sujan, Purbayan, very good. 7 rectangles. 7, please count. Yes, Shrestha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Any more? No. There are 7 rectangles. Right over here, 7. Next, how many circles? How many circles? Please count how many circles. Debushmita, wrong. Samriddha, also wrong. Yes, Shrestha, you are correct. Ayush, you are correct. Count how many circle. Count again. Who counted wrong? Please count again, beta. How many circles? Please follow. Yes, Debushmita. Ahanav, 30. No, wrong. Purbayan, no. Let's start counting. Okay, all of you, please follow me. Sujan, let's see. 1, 2, 1, 2, but not the only yellow colored circle you will count over here. In this picture you will count only yellow colored circle. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. It will be 24 because the eyes, we have not taken the eyes of all the here barred eyes and this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have not counted this part. Okay. 24. 24. This is eyes, sorry, this is circle. How many circles? 24. Please all of you note down. How many right triangles, how many squares, how many rectangles, and how many circles. Done? Very good, Kaushik. Okay, fine. Next, we will show page 20. Okay, let's start now. Now turn over the next page, page number 45. Next page, page number 45. Turn over the next page. Yes, 32 triangles, 9 squares, 7 rectangles and 24 circles. Okay, Shamridha, okay, very good. Now next page, turn over the next page. Page number 45. I hope you have completed this page. Here you have to draw few things. You can draw own also, no problem, but using shapes. Now you make your own picture. You can make your own picture using different shapes like triangle, rectangle, square and circles. Using these basic shapes you have to draw. You have to draw. Okay, Shujan. Shujan, you have done the last one is 31. Why? Because you have taken the eyes. But the eyes are here, circle is like that circle, but it's a dot. It's a dot like that because there is mentioned yellow. Okay. And now you make your own picture using different shapes. Okay, here is one thing, one confusion is also there. Here is the tooth in rectangle. If I take the nose of these two is like cat and ant or whatever is this, we have taken, but this color and that color are same, look like a same, that's why I have taken. But if you leave this 2, then it will be 30, but take 32 and here is 24. How many circle? Right, 24. Okay, nose is black color. Shrestha has written rose is black color. Yes, this look like a black. Okay, then leave this 2. Then it is a black color. Then you can mention that. You can, if you use take the nose, then write down the triangle 30. Then write down the triangle 30. You all please, correction is there here. If you don't take the nose, then it will be 30. Because here also we have not taken that eyes. So it is up 24, otherwise it will be 31. So better, no need to take the eyes. Write down how many triangles. How, Purbayan? How many triangle? Because here colors is mentioned, so please write down 30. 32 was there, you stop this and write 30. All of you, please. Okay, fine. Write down 30 and circle 24. Circle 24. Okay, next page. Page number 45. how many, now you make your own picture. Once I will draw, and if you want to make another figure, you can using this shapes, you can draw the another figure also, no problem. Who can't, please draw using, this is a triangle, and take circle, and inside the eyes square, and nose circle, and mouth rectangle. Show all the figures, all the shapes cover, triangle, square, circle and rectangle. Done? Okay, Devoshmita, triangle 30. Okay, make it 30. Now, next, done everybody? Done? Please, first figure using shapes, triangle, rectangle, square and circle. Using the shapes, you make a figure, make a picture, own whatever you want, but using these shapes. I have drawn this here, all the shapes covered. This is triangle, square, rectangle and circle. Okay, fine. Very good. Next, make a drawing using only rectangles. Using only rectangles, make a drawing. Make a drawing using only rectangles. Okay. Any shapes you can draw using rectangle. Next figure, next part. You can draw a house using rectangle. You can draw this type of okay, very good, no problem. But next figure, make a drawing using only rectangle. Using only rectangle, you can make this house using only rectangle, or another thing also you can draw using only rectangle. Using rectangle, you can draw this figure also, no problem. Any one figure you can draw. Okay, fine. Very good, Shrestha, no problem at all. Today this much. Next class I will discuss from next page. Okay, and you all will collect the objects, and any other objects also you can collect and trace, and ask your sister, brother, your parents and gaze then which picture is this. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, bye beta.